Since Mechanic Alliance now has an affiliate partnership with Topdon, we're going to talk about this guy. I picked up this little jump pack for my own personal use. I don't have one in my collection. Figured it's a nice thing to add, especially when I'm playing with classic cars, stuff that may not have moved very often. You know, throw it in the race trailer, take it to the track, because sometimes, you know, a little bit more juice may be the difference between not making the round and getting into the next round to take the win and move on. So let's open this guy up. I haven't opened it yet, so this is live unboxing with Eric of Mechanic Alliance. So congratulations. So we're just going to peel the cardboard off. Comes in its nice, neat little Topdon carrying bag with holdy honor, so that way you can, you know, hold it, hit something with it, you know, take your pick. So pulling it out of the box, we've got the ubiquitous USB charger, because, you know, why not? Everything else is USB powered. Why not do the same thing here? Looks like it's even a USB-C. That's sweet, because everything has gone USB-C. Almost nothing's micro USB anymore. So I'm just going to put that in my pocket for a moment. Oh, looks like we got the nice little short alligator clip so you can't run too far from your jump box. Put that in my pocket too. And we're going to pull this guy out. What else do we have in the box here? We have some instructions as to how to do this right. Those will probably promptly get ignored, but we'll get there in just a minute. Let's talk about this little guy. Set some stuff down. My kids are running through the back. You know how it is. It's a nice late spring day. They're getting moving. Let's see here. On this side, it's labeled input. Look at that. USB-C input. And also looking at it, you've got the engine start plug. Let's get here closer to the camera. You've got one that is labeled a output 1 5 volt 3 amps or an output 2 at 5 volt 2.1 amps. That way if you need to power your mobile equipment while you're out and about, battery's getting low, whatever, you can totally do that easily. Looks like it's also got a flashlight on it. I guess I better read the instructions as to how that's actually going to work. But supposedly we can just hit the power button. Shows how much juice is actually in on it. Let's see here. Nope, I got to read the instructions to figure out how to make the flashlight work. Stand by. So I did the thing. I read the instructions to how to make it work because it was a little vague. It's not like there's a flashlight button on it. But apparently, once you power it on, and you press and hold it for 3 seconds, the flashlight comes on. You can hit it again, goes to strobe, and then it goes to SOS mode. And then one more press and it goes off. That's kind of nice. So anyways, the instructions in here give you all the specifics as to the flashing LED pattern, what color they're supposed to turn when they're ready to rock. But basically, from what it says, it's a quick and easy, plug it in, hook it up to the battery, make sure you get the polarity correct because this one has a blinking LED feature that will let you know if you don't get it connected correctly. Guys, pretty sure we're going to get it right. But the off chance that you know, it's dark, it's whatever, you brain fart, who knows, it'll let you know if the polarity is wrong. So I think I'm going to have to leave the headlights on one of the cars around here just to give this a try and, you know, make it crank slow and put this guy on and see what happens. We've got a nice 81 Monte Carlo over here with a very smooth running 350. We may have to use that. The Riviera is a little bit high on compression for this little guy. I'm not sure it's going to like it too much. This is rated to 6.5 liters of gasoline and, oh, where'd that box go? 4 liters of diesel. Most of what I got is 5.76 liters, my El Camino is 6.6 liters. Well, that's my race motor. Granted, it's only 9/8 to 1 static compression, but it's got a pretty healthy dynamic compression. Anyways, guys, we're going to play with this for a little bit. I'll bring you some results on how it works here in a few minutes. It's Harvey the Golden Doesn't Retriever and Pepper the Boston Terrier making a cameo. Not exactly an exciting car compared to the Monte Carlo and the Riviera over there, but I've got to get this 3800 V6 out of the garage for a few minutes. Just to show you what happens. You know, you connect the positive to positive, negative to negative, and on the side here you can see that it shows you have the correct orientation. You have the reverse polarity if you screw it up, and apparently it's even got a little boost button that you can push, and it'll do its job. And now you can go hit the key. So let's zip over. Yes, it's dusty. That's why it's getting taken out of the garage. It needs some work. All right, now, you know, they start better if you have the key. That's not it. That's the key. All right, so we're just gonna... And this battery's a little weak. It just took right off and did its thing. So hooray for the Topdon jump starter. So there's the overview of the Topdon JS1200, the little jump surge, get that right, little jump pack. Now it seemed to work okay for what I'm doing. The real test will be something when I've got a weaker battery, but you know, we'll test it with what I got, show that it works the way it's supposed to, and go from there. Now guys, I'm going to drop a link, an affiliate link for this guy in the description. And as always, if you're looking for Topdon equipment, reach out to Mechanic Alliance. We'll get you an affiliate link. Yes, we do get a little bit of a kickback on that. That's the way the affiliate links work. But you know, not only are you helping Topdon, you're helping Mechanic Alliance out by bringing you the stuff that you guys need to be as effective as you can possibly be. Make the money that you deserve and live your best life. Once again, thanks for watching. We'll catch you later. We'll see you next time.